I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Oh, hi there. I just received, it looks like a very nice invitation in the mail. Let me read it to you. Sweet Uniquities, that's me. You are cordially invited to attend a small intimate gathering of 6 or less people. Please be prepared to stay at least 6 feet away from the other 5 guests. This is a BYOTP party, meaning bring your own toilet paper. Sounding like a fun place to hang out, right? You know, it has been kind of quiet around here lately with all this stuff going on, so maybe I will attend this party and maybe I won't. But if I am going to go, it's going to be important that I customize my treat for this type of party. So what could we do for a party like this? So for today's inspiration on these toppers, I turned on my local news station for exactly 42 seconds and came up with 6 dreadful designs to put on my cupcake toppers. Yesterday, I rolled out some white fondant that's mixed with some Tylose, and they are nice and hard, so they will be great to draw on. I'm going to be using edible food markers today for drawing the designs on, so these will be quick and easy, and these are all meant to be fun and lighthearted. And please, no disrespect, I know this is a serious time in our world, but sometimes we just need a little sweet uniquities. So anyway, enjoy today's video. For this first design, I'm using a food art pen by Rainbow Dust Colors Limited. I will link it down below. This is one of my favorite edible markers because it feels like a Sharpie on one end. It writes like a Sharpie, so really fine tip on the one side. And then if you flip it over, it is more of a medium point. I'm also using the Wilton food writers, and they come in a couple of different colors, and so I somehow misplaced my red, but they work nicely too, but they're not as fine and pointed. Here I'm making the little COVID-19 virus. Because I sped this video up, you don't get to see it very well right now, but I will show all of the cupcakes at the end so you get to see all of the designs. If you're enjoying today's video, I would love it if you would give me a like and consider subscribing for future content. My favorite topper in today's video is definitely the Lysol wipe container. I just think it turned out really cute, and I would love it if you would leave a comment down below and let me know which topper is your favorite today. You will definitely want to watch to the end of this video where I show all of the toppers completely so that you can make a truly informed decision, but I will be excited to see which topper wins today. If anybody would have ever told me that I would be trying to make a wet wipe out of fondant one day, I would have been like, you're crazy. But you know, time for everything. So how I made these cute little wipes for the Lysol container, I just took fondant mixed with Tylose and I rolled it out as thin as I could get it, pretty much like tissue paper, cut it in a little square, and then I just pinched the bottom together so that it would look like, you know, where it's coming out of the container. And I let them dry. You can hear it's hard. I let it dry overnight on a drying rack, which is my splatter guard from the Dollar Tree. I will link that video down below. And voila, you have, can you see it? Well, there you go. A little wet wipe. So cute. Well, they canceled the party out of concerns for safety, which is really probably for the best, but there is a bright side, and that is I have an entire platter of cupcakes just for me. So while I enjoy this cupcake, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of this fantastic content in the future. And if you would like today's video, and also leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about today. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you very soon. Have a sweet and unique day.